Hi guys, I'm Chris Wilson and this is the Helpful Home Service Guy series. Hey guys, we're going to talk a little bit about your thermostat right now real quick. So I'm going to show you this particular thermostat is a very common one. This is a Honeywell T4. So if you need to change the batteries ever in your thermostat, it's very simple. You're just going to grab the thermostat and you're going to pull straight back, okay, off the wall. It's going to feel a little bit like you're breaking it, but you're not, okay? And then here's your batteries right here, all right? This is also how your thermostat wires in. These are the control wires behind here. And actually this one here has a common wire. See that C, that little blue wire? That means that the thermostat is actually also stealing power from the system, from the unit downstairs to actually power itself. These batteries are really just kind of backup at this point. And when you put your thermostat back on, you need to make sure that these pins right here line up with these holes. So you'll find the spot where it kind of fits in and then you just push and it locks back on, okay? Don't panic if your system doesn't come back on right away. Right now we're in cooling mode and there's a 5-minute delay anytime power stops to that outdoor unit. So 5 minutes is a long time when you're waiting for your air conditioning to come back, so don't panic, all right? It'll come back, I promise.